hi guys, you're just wondering what the fuck just happened to my hair. Or all of this. Whoops. So don't worry. I have my license in cutting my hair. I got it when I was coronavirus. They're like, how is she cutting it? I'm like, why is she cutting it? I'm like, cause I feel like it. I'm gonna take a shaver. So I'm just gonna go like this, hold it down, and cause the rest of it is gonna go by a blade. My friend's over. So, my friend is over, and, alright, thank you. See. People are like, are you going through a Britney Spears problem? I'm like, no. I'm done with this hair. It's thick, it's German, burned, and it just stabbed myself in the neck. Sorry, I'm trying to use a air freshener. Air freshener to hold. I'll just use this. So pretty much, I just gotta go and about. New life, new beginning. I've had this hair. I've had this hair since I lost the use of my legs. Even though I have it trimmed, it's not me anymore. So I just need to get it to a certain level where I can start to again. It's like this song, the military song by Katy Perry. Guy was cheating on her, and she cut her hair like this. Oh my god, I look like her. What should I have been doing? So my friend's over, so how about we put him on my channel? Or is he watching? Hey Justin. Hey Facebook me now. Not until I get this done. Hey, can you text Mark that I need pop, please? Can you text Mark that I need pop, please? Can you see if I've gotten down enough to start buzz cutting it? I just need your eyes kind of in the back. Friend's over right now.
Text Mark, you said?
Yeah. It's okay, girl. So how, like, I know this side's harder. It's actually shorter. There's a song out there. What is that song? Remember Katy Perry walks in, right? About she cuts her hair like this. Becomes military. Well, if I had this kind of hair, and you could just hear the burnt hair. You could just tell the burnt hair.
Well, I was against the wall.
What?
I went to go sit down and I thought I was like, it's here, and I like fell way back.
Oh.
Yeah, ever since.
Like, you made me go to bed with no drink.
Ever since I became homeless.
I can cut your hair.
Oh, okay.
Next stuff it'll be like, fucking don't cut his hair.
We got at the last person that
I have someone over right now.
you know a person named Teresa Stiletto?
Oh, Teresa Stiletto, that sounds familiar. Remember, I'm on live just to tell you. Everyone says, so your woman messages, hey.
I'll just go on the dirty for that person. Put it on the dirty. And then tomorrow was like. Are you gonna go see your dad? I'm like, I go see my dad, it will be a bloodbath.
I think it's about time to take that buzz cutters, huh? Woo! And I'm not having a midlife crisis. I'm just changing my life. Yeah, watch it because I'm going a bit too low. Is he your new boyfriend?
You know that person?
No, look what Justin said on my camera. No, that's not my boyfriend.
Who, Justin's saying that?
Yeah, I'm on live right now. Justin!
Hey, I got a wife, dude. I proposed to my girl a couple of days ago, so...
They're getting married, so... And I'm doing this because I burned my hair. And literally, if you were here, you can literally hear how burnt the hair is.
She also has a passion of drugs on her. Whoa!
Alrighty. Now...
Whoa!
What?
I only put... this is my style. She's also a compulsive liar and bipolar disorder, split personality, schizophrenic. That's what I put. And someone, if she has passion of possession of drugs on her, and she's at a friend's place chilling, and that place gets busted by the cops, she will put that blame on the person saying it's their drugs. She also loves to order illegal weapons from sites.
Who doesn't these days?
She's a big-time drug addict, smokes meth, crack, does oxys, does G, does heroin.
You know how to put this back on?
Yeah.
No, that's just a person that's helping me out.
G, does heroin, any other drugs she could get her hands.
Just
to the
here,
big-
pass it actually.
Huh?
I think I know how to fix it. Here, just pass it. Because I don't want Mark to find out.
Yeah, I don't want to be breaking. If you break it, it's a good. Illegal weapons from online sites.
That clicks it.
Drug addicts.
It's a friend over Justin, okay? It's not my new boyfriend. Jeez.
Just let them know you had to get me out of that.
I had to get him out of a dangerous situation that was gonna get raided. I gotta stand up to all my friends. You could just go online right now. See that? What he's saying. Like, yeah, I was working with things with Justin, but he keeps bum raping my fucking. Like what? It's like, cause I'm going for that surgery. Reason why I'm doing this, Justin, because I'm going for head surgery, skull surgery, cochlear implants. You mean tell me that you know what that is? So instead of justifying,
I just got a zap for the wall.
well, one.
Alive. That's the guy who I used to live with.
Yellowbird.
He beat the shit out of me, gave me cracks to the head.
Like, bud, you should know me. I don't let shit happen to my bros.
Oh, I'll send Justin the pictures of what you did to my room. Because people are like, oh, fake people now. He has a new Facebook.
Oh. Should pull the instructions. Might as well just shave it down. Okay. Obviously, mine's just plate. Oh, I need that. Oh. That I need the brush. Okay. Well, click on that. Yeah, where is Mark? I don't know. I'm having my mental breakdown. Okay, 3 mil, 6 mil, 9 mil. Is this a 9 mil? Okay, that's the longest. How do you put it on? Baby.
There.
I don't know. My stroke hand got it.
Read that shit. I hate art.
Might as well just use my fucking. Might as well. Okay, we got the clip on. This is 9mm. And guess what? Fucker didn't charge it. There we go. Oh. Can you put my mirror on my stand? Right there. Right by the yellow book. Thanks.
Because they so much.
So right now I'm using a 9mm.
Yeah, I'm like, that's what I have more some coffee on the chair. I thought, I'm like, what the?
Who are you talking to? Mark?
Yeah.
Mark is here?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I gotta get this done. Just stole him! Show's over, Mark. I'll show you the finished part. Bye.